All right, guys. Man, we got this thing.
We got a biker right here first.
Yeah, I'm playing. Hey, I'm getting in the spirit of this thing. Look at this, man. I look like one of those West Coast chopper kind of guys.
Yeah.
Except for the shirt, I don't like it. But hey, represent Rio Revolution. Good church. Hey.
We have this thing upside down.
We got it upside. I mean, look at it. Do you recognize this thing now? I don't think so. So what we're going to do is we're going to start sanding on it. While Hunter's going to sand on this, I'm going to sand on the gas tank. I'm going to do a little bit of body filler on it. Get it going, guys. I got a little bit of primer. I'll shoot on it. And that's what we're doing tonight.
Yep.
Because, I mean, we got this thing gutted. It is just totally gutted.
I mean, it's down to frame.
Except for this, because I can't really figure out how to get it really off there.
I know how you get it off, but you got to take off the frame.
I got to take this whole darn part off right here to get it off.
And we don't want to do that.
So, is it necessary to come off? I mean, maybe it is, the paint under it.
We'll figure that out when we get to
it.
But as of now, we're going to start on some body work and hopefully get it knocked out.
Yeah, this thing's going to go pretty quick because, hey, we're on a mission here. We're going to get this bike looking good, get it out so one of y'all can buy it.
Yeah.
Who wants to go cruising? You know, it's a cruiser. You sit on it, feels good, don't it, Hunter?
Oh, yeah, I love it.
Hunter might take it. I mean,
I'm afraid of bikes.
He's a little nervous about bikes, but I understand.
I'm going to take one ride on it, maybe.
Okay.
But probably not.
All right, guys, we'll catch you in a minute.
What are you doing right here?
All right, guys, there's a few little dings in here, so I thought, well, just to cover it all.
We're going to body fill the whole thing.
Sand it down.
And sand it down to fill in the little dings. Which there wasn't many, though. It was just like
just a
couple.
couple. But
we want to make sure we get every single one.
Yeah, so there we go. We'll let it set up. If I quit messing with it.
Yeah, you're going to make it worse.
Yeah,
it looks really good, though.
Yeah. It will look good. As soon as I get it sanded, ready to start, put a little primer on it, get this thing going, because we're ready to rock on this thing. Oh. All right, guys. Look at this. Well, we had to skim this whole thing because there's little bitty dings. We're getting it down there to where we need it to be. And we're about to spray some primer on it. We're going to start getting this thing.
Yeah, it's coming along.
It's coming along. So that feels smooth as a baby's butt now.
Yeah, it's nice.
Only reason I know that, I have 3 kids.
Yeah, I don't know that.
You ain't never changed a diaper?
Nope. Yeah, it's coming along. We got a little bit more work to do, and then put some primer on it.
Oh yeah, it's looking good. This thing fixed up. Look at our bike stand here. Hey, this is what you call ingenuity.
Great way to paint it, you know?
Ingenuity at its finest. So
it's a little redneck, but
hey, it is what it is. You use what you got. Until we buy us a bike lift, this is what we'll use.
It works perfectly.
Hey, it come to me in my dreams. Hey, I got my do-rag on, ready to go, ready to work on this tribute bike to David
Carver.
David
So we'll
Carver.
be painting this black.
So we're gonna get started. We're painting this black. Put some. Well, I'm not telling everything we're gonna do.
And don't mind the fireworks behind us.
Yeah, because it is near the 4th, so you'll hear this a lot. All right.
Everything's looking good, ain't it?
It sure is. I like that satin black, don't you?
Yeah, it looks real good.
It's that gangster style.
Got everything hung up, painting. It's pretty good.
Oh, dang it.
I like how we did this, don't you?
Yeah. My screwdriver getting paint all over, but it's so rusty, so
Make it
it's
look
kinda
better.
needed.
But yeah, we're getting everything painted up and hopefully soon putting it back together. After a couple more coats, what do you think?
Yeah. That's it, that one.
Yep, we're out. Well, we'll catch up with you later when we start on the next thing. That red looks good, don't it?
Yeah, now we're doing this right here. We're painting this top part red just to do some design in it.
But honestly, I love it, that red.
Yeah, but it's going to be black.
Oh yeah, it's going to be black, but I love that red.
But it's going to have some red designs in it.
It's going to be really nice. We're getting this late night work in.
While fireworks are going on.
Yep.
Around the 4th, it gets busy around here, don't it?
Yeah, very busy. But America. Your shirt says it all, America.
Yeah. Detailing this out. We're about to paint it here in a second. We're putting our words on there. I'm not going to show you exactly what it is. But guys, Hunter's working hard on this. Give him a little glimpse. But don't show the whole word, but there we go. All right, well guys, we got their decals on there that we're going to do on that tank. Hunter worked hard on that, didn't you, buddy?
It took a while.
It took a while. So we're going to go eat, then we're going to come back, we're going to paint that, and we're going to start putting this bike back together. So hopefully everything goes smooth.
I hope so.
Yeah, so we'll catch you in a minute.
So what are you doing right here?
Painting this beautiful tank.
It's gonna look good.
Yes, sir. So we can get our tribute bike started and done and protected. Just the back side of it.
Make sure you hit that up top.
All right, guys. Well, look at this. We got our tank custom. Look at those mountains. Hold on, let me hold this up.
Yeah, hold up for him. That looks so good.
Our mountains.
And I'll take it to the other side. We're not done. We got to do a little few touch-ups on this side. But
that's just residue from the tape. But right there, I sort of
made one mistake.
But I'll get a little touch-up.
But it says Mountain Strong. It looks really good. Then we got the stripe down the middle.
Stripe down the middle.
What do you think?
I love it, dude.
This
is a tribute to that guy. He loved the mountains. She said he was a mountain man. So
and we love the mountains, so why not
we love the
mountains?
Mountains. We're at the foot of the Smokies.
So
why not build a bobber that's dedicated to it? And we like black and red.
Yep. So we're gonna start putting this bike back together. You know?
Yeah, that looks so good, Hunter. I really do. I like Mountain Strong on it.
I see.
Oh, I love it.
So we'll get back with you.
Yeah, we'll get back with you. Get my steering wheel.
Start the steering wheel out here.
We are building a bobber, so you know.
Kickstand up.
Dude, this thing's bad. Do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Gotta be careful with the steering wheel. You want me to park it right here?
keep going. I want to turn the other way. Right there. Oh yeah.
Dude, check this thing out.
Look at this.
Who remembers what this bike looked like?
It was completely different.
I mean, already for night and day.
Look, we got the mountains. We got our stripe. It looks so good. Then we got Mountain Strong. Can't wait.
Oh man, I can't wait. This is a nice looking bobber, guys. So look, if you want to, hit us up. Make us some offers. We're going to have it put together
Real soon.
real soon. So hit us up, make some offers. We're about to get the lights and tail. We're putting that vintage bobber tail light right here that has the license plate goes on it. It's gonna be bad, dude. Really bad.
Can't wait.
Me either. All right, guys. Well, we started the Mustang up and moved it because it ain't been started in like 2 weeks.
That's way too
Because
long.
guys, we're working on this motorcycle because we're waiting on stuff for this Mustang.
Yeah, we're waiting on interior and
It's
paint.
been a month. We've ordered it. It's just everything is just taking a while. So we thought we'd work on something we could do right now.
Gets a little bit of money.
Yeah. So we're working on this bike. Hopefully we can get it done.
Get it to its next owner.
Yeah. Next owner could be you.
It will.
Hey guys, if you like this video, man, like, subscribe because we're enjoying it. Man, we got a bike to give away, or not to give away, but to sell. So like it, subscribe, share, invite your friends to see it. We'll catch you later.